Hey guys, today we're doing a quick mini tutorial on flat washes. Now, flat washes are monochromatic washes that cover an entire area in one color. First thing we're going to talk about is our materials. I have here a cup of clean water, a tube of watercolor paint, and a block of watercolor paper. This is fluid easy block watercolor paper. This is a cellulose based paper, and that is important to keep in mind. I'm going to grab an eraser to prop our paper up somewhat. Then we've got a selection of brushes that are good for applying washes. We've got a mop, we've got a cat's tongue or filbert, and we've got two flats. And for today's tutorial, we're going to use a flat. So the first thing we want to do is we want to mix up our wash color. And when you're mixing up a wash, you want to mix up enough ahead of time that you're not going to be stopping midway through. Now this is totally not usual standard procedure kosher for mixing up washes, to just poop your watercolor in to your water like that. But since this is just a quick demonstration, I'm sure you guys won't mind. So I am mixing the color up. I want to get it all mixed into the water. And I'm not even going to use this brush. I'm going to have to wash this brush because it's got paint in it. We're going to use this flat here. It is a Princeton synthetic. So when it comes to flats, you don't need super fancy brushes. And we are just going to start at the top. And given how I mixed my watercolor, I'm definitely getting some streaks where my brush picked up too much water. And you don't need to dip every time, because as you guys can see, I picked up a lot of water on the page. But the intention is to get a nice, flat, even monochrome coverage for a flat wash. And if you're a comic artist, this can be very useful for toning a panel. And you might want to do that to imply maybe like a night sky or a night scene, and you want the whole area to be one color. Now I'm going to show you guys how to wick up any extra moisture. We created a thirsty brush by dabbing it onto a paper towel. And you guys can see, I didn't do a perfect job applying this, but we have a fairly even coverage of permanent mauve. So I hope this quick tutorial on how to apply a flat wash was helpful, useful, and informative for you guys. And I hope you will check out some of my other quick tutorials on various types of washes. I'll see you later. Bye guys!